In this video, we will create the collage of this girl on this background image. So start with this image. To make this image more attractive, just to create the hair of this girl more beautiful, use this option, go in a new fill layer, click on solid color and then enter the name of layer here, here red color. So we will make the color of this girl red, hair color. So select the color from here, red, more dark, and then click OK. Use Ctrl I from keyboard to create the mask of this layer, and this mask layer is available here. After that, use this option, brush, to give the red effect to his hair. So drag the mouse left button like this on his hairs very smartly. Apply this tool to cover all the hairs with this red color like this. Just I am doing this work very fastly, but you have to do this work very slowly and nicely. So give the effect to this image like this. So I think you understand how to give effect to this image like this. So I think you understand. So after that, select this layer and go in this mode option and click on this option color. So the color of hair will become red. So after that, you will have to select this rectangle marquee tool and select this with this tool, rectangle marquee tool, select this image like this, and then use the move tool to pick this image into this background image. Before picking this image, just to background and combine the hair, this red color layer, use this option, go in layer and click on the option flatten image. So you will see all the background and the hair color red combined, and then after you will use the move tool to pick this image in this background image and put this image here. Increase or decrease, adjust some size of this image like this, and then apply transformation. And to remove the unnecessary part of this image, use this option background eraser. Remove the unnecessary part of this image with this tool, background eraser. So I think you understand how to remove the unnecessary part. I just removed the part very fastly. You should do that work very neat and clean. So I think you understand. And after that, go in layer and in a new adjustment layer, use this option curve to give some curve effect to this image, and then click OK, and then group this layer, curve layer, adjustment layer with this layer 1. Select this curve layer and go in layer and click on this option group with previous, click Ctrl G. So you will see layer 1 and this curve layer will be grouped, and after that again select this curve layer and then give the effect of curve layer like this. So I think you understand how to give the effect of this new adjustment layer and group with the layer 1. So I think you understand. And after that, to combine all these layers, use this option layer flatten image can be used, and you can use the merge visible shortcut key shift Ctrl plus E to merge all these layers. So I think you understand. And after that, go again in file, open, and bring another image of this girl like this image, and this is a very beautiful image, and select the elliptical marquee tool to select this image in circle form. Select this image in circle form and use the move tool to move this image in this background image and put this image here in small size like this, put here. So I think you understand. And then apply the transformation, and to make this layer more stylish, go in layer style option, blending option, and give some stroke effect to this image. Select color from here. So I think it's a red color is a nice color, and then click OK, and then increase some small size of this. So click then OK. You will see the better effect of this layer style. And then again go in layer style to give some more better effect to this image. Use this inner shadow to give some inner shadow to this image. Select the color from here, like blue color. You can select blue color from here, and you can increase some opacity and increase the size of this color like this, and you can increase the charcoal effect of this image, and use the distance of this image like this, and then click OK. So our image will look like this. This layer will be effective by this inner shadow and the stroke option. So after that we will again go in this shape tool and custom shape, and select this shape from here, and create that shape in this background image here like this, and from here give its a normal mode effect, and then place this image and rotate some part of image like this, and put this image here like this, and we will insert some image in this shape. Go in file, click on open, and then select this image again, this image, and select this image by rectangle marquee tool like this, only that part, and then with move tool move in this image. So put this image here, and see this layer window, shape 1, this is shape 1 we have inserted, and put this layer 2 above the shape 1, and go in layer. Before go in layer, apply this transformation and go in layer. Use this option, group with previous shortcut key Ctrl G to group with the shape 1, this layer with shape 1, you can see that, and put this image in this, adjust this image in this shape 1, and after use transformation, apply, and you can change the shape style. Select this shape and double click here, and you will see layer style open, and select this stroke option again, and give some effect of stroke to this image also, and increase some size from here to give stroke, and you can change the color of this stroke like this, and I think you understand how to give this shape to this stroke layer. So I think you understand, and now we will again go in file, open, and select the image, this image again, see this image again, and remove this selection point by Ctrl D, remove this selection point, and again select this image in rectangle form, select this image in rectangle form like this, and use the move tool to insert in this image, and to bring this image in front, go in layer and in arrange, and click here to bring to front, click here to bring to, again select this image layer 3, and you can move this layer like this here. So you can move this layer and bring it front of this all other layers. So I think you understand, and then reduce the size of this layer and rotate the image like this, and put the image here like this. So I think you understand, and apply this transformation and decrease the background by this background eraser tool. Unnecessary part of this image, you can remove that unnecessary part which is not required. So I think you understand how to remove the unnecessary part which is not required. So after that, go in this layer 3, from here change the mode overlay. You can use the overlay mode, or you can use the hard layout, or you can give screen mode. So give the screen mode to this image and select this layer. Again, by this free transformation shortcut key Ctrl T, select this image again to increase the image like this, to expand the image like this. I think you understand, and then apply again transformation. So this is a way to make the collage of this girl. And now again we will use the option of render and give the lens flare to this image. And before giving this lens flare, select the background image, select this background layer, and then again go in this option render and click on the lens flare option and give the lens flare, adjust the lens flare here like this, and you can increase or decrease the brightness, or you can give the lens type 50 to 300 mm, or you can give to 35 mm, or you can 105. We will give this effect and then click OK. You will see the effect of this lens on your image. So this image is ready, and after all adjustment, all layers are required to be flattened. So we will go in again layer and select this option flatten image. So our image collage of this girl prepared nicely.